Come on, let's go fix some stuff. Morning all. So today's job is replacing the locating pins and the plates on this axle. Axle has moved, or keeps moving. I'm putting this wheel out of alignment. I don't know if you can see that on camera. So I've already done some work on this tanker. It's had all new U-bolts and it's been fine up until it's started moving again on this side. You see the spring stuck out this side and it's not that side. So pull the axle off, check the pins. We're going to replace the plates with some beefier plates so that it doesn't snap the pins again. Right, spray some WD-40 around it. Right, finally got it all stripped. The U-bolts are tied to the Yorkshireman's wallet, which they shouldn't be because they were only put on 6 months ago. Anyway, so you can see now where that's been moving. It's worn the plate and it's worn the pin away. Pins come out of the spring, so I have to make a new pin, new bottom plate, hold it to the axle. This side's not too bad, but we'll do that at the same time. Pins worn away. Now in the bottom of there should be a rubber plate, which gives it a little bit of dampening, and a pin in the bottom of the spring, so again it's all rock solid. I think that's knackered, so I think we'll put a new piece of rubber in there. That one's definitely knackered and the pin's missing, so we're going to make a pin for that, weld that back into that. Yeah, right, sort some bits out. Well, day 2, still here. So we've had these, I've made these plates to go underneath the axle. Queen's ways of turning these pins up. Not them in there. Roll them in, hold them to the axle, put it back together. What a job this is turning into. So we've managed to get everything back together. All the pins are sat where they should be. Nothing wanted to go back together right. It's put up a proper fight, this job. That's probably the reason I've been putting it off for so long. Anyway, I'm going to try this out. I've bought myself a new ratchet, 3/4 ratchet. I keep bending bars, keep buying cheap bars, just keep bending them. They're just crap. So this was recommended to me, Coke and Tools. Comes with a ratchet head and a breaker bar head. And for 3/4, that's fairly fine too. So yeah, we'll I'm going to speed it up because this is going to take me forever.
Remember times I had, some were happy, some were sad. Memories me in my car just a crime, throwing up 1,000 times. I got through it, I feel fine. I went to school and did my time. In a sense I'm out, in a sense I'm free to do what I wanna be. Fun was cartoon Saturdays, fun was saying a bad day. Blame was trying to fit in, blame was the wrong crowd, let me in. I got through it, I feel fine. I went to school, did my time. In the sense I'm out, in the sense I'm free to do what I wanna be. Yeah, gotta stick together with who you are and who you know. Gotta remember where you've been and where you wanna go. I never did homework after school, done all the things I thought were cool. Went out every Friday night, I still do, and I'm alright.
Right. I'll talk them down.
System tries to bring me down with way. Them a turn up out the door and them a pick it. They make it. Them must be kick off the food when catch up on with it. Tell the whole bastard up at the temp and get. Now we living in the ghetto on a strict condition. That not we make you get up on the eight another man. You want to stand here firm and stand up strong. Listen better you, that's how we keep living long.
Don't let the bastards grind you down. Don't let them grind you down. Don't let the bastards grind you down. Don't let them grind you down. Don't let the bastards grind you down. Don't let them grind you down. Don't let the bastards grind you down. Don't let them grind you down.
Ain't gonna break that off.